In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Facebook step by step, quickly and easily. Whether you're using a computer, laptop, or browser on your phone, this guide will help you get signed in without any confusion. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to facebook.com. Once the Facebook page loads, you'll see the login area right on the screen. Here, you need to enter your email address or phone number in the first field. Make sure you type it correctly because this is what Facebook uses to find your account. Next, move to the password field and enter your password. Be careful here as well, since passwords are case sensitive. If you have caps lock on by mistake, you may not be able to log in. After both fields are filled in, click the login button. Facebook will then check your details and if everything is correct, take you to your account homepage. If you see a login error, double check your email or phone number and password and try again. If you forgot your password, you can use the forgot password option to reset it and recover access to your account. If you're signing in on a shared or public device, it's also a good idea to avoid saving your login details for security reasons. And that's it. You've successfully logged into Facebook. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to go and what information to enter. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.